I give everybody that I sell a trailer to one of these really nice canvas bags. They come in handy. Hi, hey, my name is Barbara D. You might have seen some of my videos before. I work for Guaranty out here in Junction City, and today I'm going to show you a nice used travel trailer that's at a good length and a great build. It's a Wildcat Maxx. It's a 255 RLX. And what that means to you is it's about 25 feet, and it's an extra light. It's really well built. It has an aluminum frame, and so that's lightweight and it's durable. It doesn't absorb any water. Always stays nice and plumb. And as you enter the doorway, you'll notice that it's got some really nice steps. These solid steps are fantastic. They're just really a benefit for the RVer. As you enter the doorway, off to your right, you'll see that we have a master bedroom. And that bedroom's featuring this walk-around queen bed, lots of garments, closets, and it also has access into the bathroom, which is really super nice. And it's got a beautiful bathroom. It's got a porcelain toilet. It's got a great showers facility. It's just a nice layout. They put a lot of upgrades in these particular travel trailers. We're proud to have it as one of our used products. Also, it has theater seating, and that theater seating is sitting in a place all the way in the back with a nice big window, and then you can look directly at the TV. So by golly, if you're going to watch football or you're going to watch a romantic movie, you're going to be able to see the whole thing without turning your head. It's got a nice kitchen. It's got a big refrigerator. It's just a very nice travel trailer and a lightweight, easy to tow with a half-ton towable. You can tow it with a 150 or a 1500. And it'll go anywhere. It has dual axles. It's just one of those things that you can't hardly beat it. So call me up. My name is Barbara D at Guaranty. My phone number is 541-521-4232. I'm looking forward to hearing from you and sharing some of my information and finding out just what it is that you're looking for. Thank you.